guys, it's again Nivea. Welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can read by the title, is going to be a hair review from this wonderful hair. I know y'all see it. I know y'all love it. It looks so cute. Before we get into today's video, I would like for you guys to give me a big thumbs up because I really appreciate it. Be sure to subscribe. The more the merrier. We love you all. Be sure to comment down below any videos that you would like for me to do. And smash that bell so you can notify every single time I post a video. Come on, you don't want to miss out. Now, before we actually get into the video once again, of course, I got to hit y'all with that little bit of Jesus because we love him and we adore him so much. So today's verse of the day is, and Jesus said, Father, forgive them, for they know not what they do. And they cast lots to divide his garments, which is Luke 23:34. Now, today's video is endorsed by Odinsonhair. We love them. I worked with them before. Today I'm wearing their amazing new locks. They just look so good and they're so soft. Very much would recommend this hair. Like, I know y'all see it. I know y'all see it. Okay, I know you do. It's this lovely brown color. The exact color you'll get this is in number 30. We love it. Like, just look, y'all. This is so good. So good. So this is synthetic hair, of course, you know. This is 24 inches long, I'm pretty sure. Let me make sure. Yeah, it's 24 inches. It's pretty long if I do say so myself. It comes down to here. And it's at my butt. Like, yes, girl, yes. Okay, so this hair came in like 3 days. It's very fast shipping. If you can pay for shipping, it doesn't come in prime. So like, if you want the hair to come faster, then of course you can pay for that express shipping and you can get the hair faster. But I just got regular shipping and the hair came in 3 days. Two. It actually came in 2 days. And it comes in a package. It comes in a little sealable bag. And you get 6 packs of hair. They're individually packaged. And they are crocheted, of course. This is a crocheted hairstyle. But if you can do it in different ways, obviously. If you would like to see how I installed this hair, there is going to be a video down in the description box on how I did new locks before, because I have installed them before on my channel. So yes, that will be in the description box down below if you want to know how I install them. But if you don't want to install them that way, then of course you can always crochet them regularly. You can braid your hair up and then crochet them in your head. But I have individuals and in the video and crochets in my head, and then in the video that's going to be linked down below, it's just strictly individual. So if you want to know how to do it that way, then it will be in the description box down below. This hair, it does not come with 6 packs. It actually comes with 7 packs of hair. I actually use all 7 packs of hair. I only had a few pieces of hair left after I used it. If you do not have this, if you don't have this color hair, then I would recommend getting like Marley hair and wrapping it around so your hair blends better. But if you have this color hair, then you should be perfectly fine. The hair is very soft, like I said. It did not stink. It did not have any smell. It's very shiny and it feels very nice. It does well with water. It's gotten wet a few times. It's not frizzy at all. The hair is just amazing. It looks very natural. Like, this look like it can be my hair. Like, girl, let me find out. I need to get some locks. But they are packaged very neatly. They all come in this different packs. Like I said, there's a bunch of hair in 7 different packs, so you can grab as much as you need. It comes with a crochet needle if you need one, and then it also comes with hair accessories. I did not use them, but I will put a picture up of what the hair accessories look like. This should be enough for your whole head, like I said, because I used literally all 7 packs with only a few pieces of hair left. I actually don't have any problems with the hair. The hair is amazing. So if you do want some new locks and you are looking for a nice protective hairstyle, because as you guys know, I cut my hair off. So this is going to last a minute, hands down. So if you guys do want to rock some lovely new locks, because y'all know it's summertime, y'all gotta look good, then please shop with Odinsonhair, because girl, you will not regret it. It looks so nice. The hair is amazing. The hair also comes in different colors, just in case you do not want this color. It comes in 27, which is a lighter brown color, 30, which is what I have in, 613, which is blonde, 1B, which is black, T27, which is darker at the roots and lighter at the bottom, towards the ends, T30, which is like a dark brown color, so darker than this. And then it comes in TBUG, which is red hair, or like it's like dark and then it gets redder when it gets towards the bottom. And yeah, but like I said, this hair is amazing. Thank you so much once again, Odinsonhair, for endorsing this video. I love your hair, girl. Amazing. Just look at it. Like, who y'all know? Nobody. But yes, this link to this hair would be down below in the description box if you do want to shop. And yeah, that's it. So be sure to give me a big thumbs up, because I really appreciate it. Be sure to subscribe, join the family, the more the merrier. We love and accept you all. Be sure to smash that bell so you can notify every single time I post a video, because you know you want to. Like, come on. Subscribe, join the family. You know, come on. Comment down below any video ideas that you may have for me. Once again, I am Nivea, and remember, when you walk into the room, you put the cherry on top, and have a blessed day. Bye.